Okay, so after you have successfully installed the Vegas installer, so if you're done na po with the first and second step, dito na tayo sa third step. Ano po? So sa third step, ang gagawin natin is to copy everything from the patch folder into the installation folder. So paano ba natin yan gagawin? As well as ito pong number 4, which is run the patch as administrator to register the program. Okay. So gagawin natin siya. Balik tayo dun sa folder ng installer. So ito yung setup, the main installer of the Vegas. So, next po niyan is, open natin yung patch folder. Open. Then, copy po natin itong nasa loob, which is this Vegas patch. Right-click. Then, copy. Then, after that, punta po kayo dun sa desktop ng computer nyo. Hanapin nyo po yung icon ng Vegas, yung shortcut na icon, and then right-click on that. Then after that po, you choose open file location. Okay? Again, right-click on this icon, tapos po, open file location. Okay? Then after that, bubukas po itong window na to, and then makikita nyo na yung nasa loob ng yung installation file ng Vegas. So after that, dito na natin i-paste yung patch ni Vegas. So, i-paste natin siya. Okay? Replace natin yung kung meron ng dati. Continue. Then, after that, right-click natin yung patch, which is ito ng Vegas 14, yung may patch. And then, right-click. Then, run as administrator. Then, you click yes. Yan. So, after that, to click this button, pag lumabas tong window na to, click natin tong button na to. Okay, and then after that, mag-update na yung program. And then, i-click na natin tong button na to. So after that, pwede nyo nang buksan yung Sony Vegas sa desktop. Okay, double-click. Okay, so mag-open na po yung Sony Vegas. So, ganun lang naman po yung pag-install. Okay, thank you.